Hi friends, it's Victoria from Voronoi Literacy Centre. Now listen, there's a place in Trinidad that protects us every day even when we don't notice. It's like a quiet superhero, but it's not a person. Ready? It's called a wetland, and today we're exploring one of the most powerful wetlands in Trinidad, Nariva Swamp. So what is a wetland? A wetland is an area where land and water meet and work together. Sometimes the land is soggy, sometimes it's muddy, sometimes it's covered with shallow water. Say it with me, wetland means land and water working together. Nariva Swamp is found in East Trinidad, and it is one of the largest wetlands in the country. It is special because it supports plants, animals, and even people. Pause and think. Have you ever driven past an area with water and tall trees and thought, that place looks swampy? Well, that could be part of a wetland ecosystem. Now let's talk about who lives in Nariva Swamp. Nariva is like a giant natural home for wildlife. You can find many birds there, some live there all the time, and some visit during certain seasons. You can also find crabs, fish, and special wetland plants like mangroves. And yes, Nariva is also known for a very rare animal called the West Indian manatee. That's a gentle sea cow that lives in water. Which animal surprised you the most? So why does Nariva Swamp matter to us? Let me tell you something important. Wetlands are not just bush. Wetlands help in big ways. They can soak up extra water when heavy rain falls, so they help reduce flooding. They can also help clean and filter water naturally. And wetlands support fishing and food, because many fish and sea life depend on these environments. Pause and think. If wetlands help reduce flooding, what do you think could happen if wetlands are destroyed? Okay, quick quiz time. Which one is true? A. Wetlands are useless. B. Wetlands help reduce flooding. C. Wetlands are deserts. Take 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. If you chose B, you're correct. Wetlands help reduce flooding and protect communities. Now here's the part where you become the hero. We protect wetlands by not dumping garbage in rivers or water areas, respecting animals, and their habitats, teaching others why wetlands matter. Say it with me. Protect the wetland. Protect the people. Let's recap. Today we learned a wetland is where land and water work together. Nariva Swamp is a major wetland in East Trinidad. Wetlands support wildlife, clean water, and help protect us from floods, and we can protect wetlands by caring for our environment. Great job. Standard 3 stars. Glowing star. In our next video, we'll explore Trinidad and Tobago's national symbols, but not the basic list. We're going to learn what they really mean. Parents, here's a quick question to ask your child tonight. Tell me 2 ways Nariva Swamp helps Trinidad. See you soon.